Hey everybody, it's Guy in the Orange Hat out here in Leetsdale, PA. Just wrapped up a chase of the Conrail Heritage unit. Even though it rained all day from the remnants of Hurricane Ian, happy to report that I think I got some really good shots. I think you're really going to enjoy this video. But before we get into that, I want to give a shout out to my buddy Wally B26 here on YouTube. He just hit 50,000 subscribers this week on his channel, and let me tell you, he deserves every one of them. He puts out some really great content, rail fanning, abandoned buildings, retail stuff, just a great eclectic mix of videos over on his channel. If you're not familiar with it, go check it out. I'll link to it in the description of this video, and make sure that you give him a congratulations, because he really deserves it. He's been a really good friend to this channel, and he's really helped me out in the time that I've known him. And that's what's so special about me catching the Conrail today, is that's actually how I met Wally. Back in the spring, the Conrail Heritage unit came through with the Kansas City Southern, and either a Union Pacific or a BNSF. I can't remember what the third engine was. But anyways, a grainer stalled in Highland Cut, and the Conrail was the next train behind it. So they actually took the Conrail and the two foreign power units off of their train, used them as a man pushers, and got the grainer up over the hill, came back, coupled onto their own train, and then pulled it up over the hill. So I'll link to that video also in the description. That was a fun day. But not being familiar with my area, Wally saw me and assumed that I was doing the same thing that he was. So he chased after me, and we were able to get some really great shots together. It's just really special to me that the week that he hits 50,000, I get to see the Conrail again. So would have been nice if he could be here with me, but he had some other stuff going on and couldn't make it. But one of these days, we're going to get together again and we'll do a video together. Until then, I hope you enjoy this video, and please go check out Wally B26 and give him a congratulations on hitting 50,000 subs. Enjoy.